Hey guys, how's it going? This is your boy Pajeet here, and welcome to another ITGC video. Today we're gonna be doing something very different on this video. We're gonna be showing you guys an unboxing of the Razer phone. This is a phone which is worth like 699 euros. We managed to pick this up in Germany when we were there last time. So guys, let's go on ahead and move on to the test, shall we? So, alright, let's get some specs out of the way. It has an ultra-motion 120Hz display. This is the only phone in the world which has been certified with Dolby THX as well as Dolby Vision. So you're getting the complete package here. Alright, here we got the box. You get a nice glossy finish on it. Hey, you can see me. Hi, hello, how are you? Ha ha ha. Okay, let's move on to here. I see the nice Razer logo here. Let's just get it out of the plastic so that we can get a better look at the device. Okay, let's get this out of the plastic. All right, there you go. I hate glossy finishes, don't you? Matte is where it's at. Here you get this nice black box over here, and you can see the Razer logo on it, and the side, yeah, more Razer logo branding, and then you can see the, okay, you see the package contents here. It has a Razer phone, obviously, a lithium-ion battery, a charging cable, a charging adapter, a SIM eject pin, and product information. It requires an internet connection. Oh wow, let's go, let's do this, guys. And here you see a notch, and you see this notch, and then let's pull on it. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. Whoa, inside you get a lovely letter introducing the Razer phone, blah 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 blah, signed CEO Min Ling Tan. Thank you for making such an amazing product, man. Welcome to the cult of Razer. Thank you very much. And here you go, guys. Let me just move this for a better view. Okay. Ooh, you have the Razer phone here. We're going to be checking that out a little bit later. Wow. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. Here you have some promotional material. Okay, here you see that SIM eject pin, a lovely SIM eject pin. Shows a visual representation of how to remove the, and you get some documentation, some deals with the Cortex and blah blah blah, which is not required, blah blah blah. Let's get it out of the way. And what is this? Let's see, what is this? Oh, I like that everything has notches. Ooh. So this is a headphone jack, I guess. No, yeah, this is an headphone jack. You get inside this, you get a Type-C to headphone jack. It looks pretty nice. There you go. Inside this, you get a good, amazing headphone jack. And let's get this out of the way. Okay. And you get a Type-C cable. Nice sturdy Type-C cable here. Yeah, nice braided finish to it. And yeah, we don't need this right now. We're moving this to the side. And let's see, where's the charger? I haven't seen the charger yet. Okay, the last box. This is nice. Nice. So, as you can see, let me get this to focus. That's the part number. Where's the power rating for this device? Yeah, as shows, it's a 5 volt. There you go. I think it supports quick charging. Okay, and let's get this out of the way. Okay, let's move on to the accessories. So you got a tempered glass protection kit with it. That's nice. And oh baby, you get an amazing protective glass display as well. Let's remove this all and get this out of the fucking way for the main event. And here it is, guys. Ooh, there it is. Hey, who is this smart man on the camera? Okay, let's do this. Oh yeah, that looks so good. Ooh, that looks so good. Feels so nice. Like, wow, I love the finish. I love the boxed finish of this device. It feels very nice to touch. Damn, this device feels good to touch. How do you turn this on, man? Huh? I think that's the volume buttons. You got 2 buttons on the side here. That's the volume up, volume down key, most probably. Okay, let's see where this is. Oh, there it is. And there you go, guys. You get blah blah blah, agree to all, blah blah blah. You need to insert the SIM card, and there you go. And on the back, you get an amazing Razer logo. It looks fucking good. It looks amazing. I think that's it. Thank you for watching this unboxing. And if you guys are interested, do write down in the description, do write down in the comment section, and do tell me whether if you would want to have a proper review of this device. Thank you, and see you in the next one. बट वो इवेंट ही है ना, इवेंट लगा रखा है तूने? Hey guys, welcome to another ITGC stream.